What is my Windows username? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then go to settings. A Windows username is the name of the person that is using the Windows. There can be multiple users, so therefore having multiple usernames as well. So in order to check your username, simply go to your start menu and then go to settings. Now in the home section, home page, this is the one that is your username. On the top right corner, go to accounts and all the users will appear over here. You can also add a user by going to other users and then by tapping on add other user. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.